everybody, it's Miss Jessica with the Fairmount Community Library Learning Lab, and we are starting our first week of Magnetic May. So we're going to be doing activities all full of ways to use magnets, and today we are kicking it off with magnet slime. So the supplies that you would need to get if you're going to make this at home are glue, slime activator, and iron oxide or iron fillings. And you can find this on Amazon. And of course, you will need some kind of magnet. Let's get started. Grab those supplies. The first thing you want to do is add your glue into a bowl. Step 2, add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of slime activator until you reach the consistency you like. Mix until you reach your consistency of slime that you would like to use. Once your slime is mixed, this is when you want to add in the iron oxide. We added about 3 tablespoons, mixed again, and then we were ready to test it out. Your code word for this week is iron oxide. Again, the code word is iron oxide. Please text the library at 382-8988 with that code word for your first entry into our Magnetic May giveaway. Thanks for joining the Fairmount Community Library Learning Lab, and hopefully you will try out this fun magnet slime. Don't forget to text us the code word.